Alright folks, it's a little update from North End Sidings. It's been a while since the last video, but I've been busy working on the layout. We've almost got the front station area done there. The yard is now fully ballast, apart from a few bits there which will be, I'll probably put some foliage down there, just needs a little bit there. The whole back section will be covered via a back seam, so you won't see the back two rails there. But the main addition is the Hornby Select DCC. I'm having some trouble with the DCC stuff. You see they've got class 8 over there. You see there's no issue with it running. This is the updated version of Ballast. This is version 1.6, so you can change CV values. As you can see, there's no issues there. Turn the power off, comes to a slow stop. That's probably going to stall on the points because they're in some frog. Oh no, there we go, make them look bad. And it brings it to a slow stop. But the problem is with 47. If I select engine 47, start him up, nothing at all, nothing, dead. Nothing, won't pick it up at all. I've resoldered the connections, I've done everything I can think of, and no matter what I do, it will not play. It either works for a little bit and then stops, and that's it. Early on it was running, but it would run, and you'd tell it to stop and it'd just keep going, and then it'd stop eventually on its own. So yeah, apart from that, the rest of the team worked pretty well. I've also done some weathering on the Robert Horn Class 6, which again works really well. So no issues there, except the old stalling on the points. Again, because of the 1.6 firmware, I'm able to adjust the CVs and get really smooth stop and starting. It's really good. So yeah, hopefully we'll just I'll get it sorted eventually. Until then, there we are. If anyone's got any suggestions of what it might be, again, I've had the loco apart completely. I've checked the connection. The chip's brand new, so I don't know why it ain't working. All the connections are clean, all the points are clean, the soldering's good. I don't know, it won't play. It will not play. Anyway, I'll leave you some footage of the locos going on. As you can see, it works. But the controller's now off and it's still flying round. Emergency stop is on and it doesn't stop straight away. It's crazy. See? I turned that off long ago, and this chip has been reset goodness knows how many times. So I'm not sure if it's the chip, which was brand new, or if it's just the motor. It's the Type 3 Ringsfield motor in here, so it's quite old. But again, it's all been cleaned, lubricated. There's no blockages. I just can't. I mean, the chip's a Laisdcc, so it is a basic chip. So I don't know if that's got anything to do with it. I mean, these two work fine. The class 58 works absolutely superbly. So I don't know what the situation is. I don't know why the rest of them work and this little 47 just isn't. I just don't understand the situation. As you can see there, it works fine, no issue at all. Stops when you tell it to, fine, no problem. Just that one there. Oh well, who knows.